Welcome to my original home up in North Florida. It's beautiful, cold but beautiful. So lately I've been thinking about having a larger area to garden, and the only way that I can accomplish that is if I move back to the family homestead. This is my original garden that I had. And what I did was took pieces of wood and made little flower beds out of them. I find myself thinking about doubling or tripling this area with the galvanized raised beds. I want to be able to have 6 raised beds in the rectangular shape, and maybe 2 or 3 circular raised beds, and then an area for my 5-gallon buckets and an area for my grow beds. So this area is big enough. It's just a matter of deciding when we want to make the move back to North Florida. And what you're looking at is my water pump and the tank. If I do decide to move back up, I want to have a irrigation system, either running from my outside hose here or the one next to the house. And I want to have it run underground to about, let's say, right here or so. That way the previous area that I showed you where I used to garden at would be about doubled, maybe a little bit more than double. Like I said, I want to have the tall raised beds at least 17 inches tall, and maybe 4x6 or something along those lines. Have at least 6 of those, and have 3 fire ring type beds, and also an area where I can do my 5-gallon buckets and my grow beds, and maybe a and click the notification bell. You'll be notified when I upload new content. I just want to take a moment to reflect upon 2022. A lot of changes happened on my channel during the year. The channel went from being relatively small to growing tremendously, and I have each and every one of you to thank for that. I hope in the upcoming year, 2023, will be bigger and better. I will be starting a website and also hope to become affiliated with several companies. All that material will be in the comment section. So until next time, as always, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.